Hi, I'm David Schmidt. I'm president of Sports Medicine Associates of San Antonio, and I'm pleased to announce our new product, Restore, which is a botanical lotion utilizing CBD.
The cannabidiol, the CBD product, has been well known now, well established to be a natural way of providing anti-inflammatory and pain relieving benefits. We've often looked for botanical products to provide just natural relief of pain, inflammation. Products like this have been used in the management of burns. So a multitude of applications have existed.
Our patients understand that non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs have some significant side effects, and so finding an alternative, particularly a topical alternative, is something that we've been looking for some time.
Coming from a surgical background, I think one of the real benefits of this cream is that it provides a non-opioid product in which we can treat pain. Post-operative patients, the big concern is, are we going to get these people hooked on opioids and other narcotic-type medications? And this is an alternative that we can use to help to control pain and inflammation in this patient population.
My wife, Teresa, had a stress-related reaction in her knee, and several months ago she tried Restore, and within 24 hours the majority of her pain was gone, and so that really kind of helped me understand how effective this product is.
CBD, in comparison to other pain relievers, offers the first and foremost benefit of being a natural product. Here in a sports medicine practice, we uniquely draw individuals that have widespread concerns about their health. They're diligent about what they put into their bodies. There's been a lot in the medical literature and in the press demonstrating that traditional ways of treating conditions that involve inflammation and overuse and pain, they can have detrimental effects on our organs when taken long term. So our patients at Sports Medicine Associates in particular really come in oftentimes looking for either alternative methods of treatment or more natural forms of treatment that won't otherwise affect their bodies. So the ability to use a CBD product in the management of pain and in the management of inflammation is something that's a real healthy alternative for those individuals. It's just a very natural, easy way to use it here in our practice, whether it's managing tendonitis, bursitis, arthritis, the whole host of overuse injuries. It's a pretty ready-made application for the patients we see here.
The things that separate this product from others, number one, it's made completely in the USA, from the ingredients to the bottle to the labeling. I think that is a big thing. Number two, you also have a QR code on this, which shows where it was made, what's the products inside of it, and allows patients to have a real good feel of what they're getting. Number three, it's pharmacy grade, meaning that it goes through a series of testing and then subsequently is made by a pharmacist. So we think it's a higher quality than what you can normally get over the counter.